Does your daughter understand that her menstrual cycle and her periods are actually controlled by her brain? So what happens here? The brain gets information from different parts of the body and from different parts of the brain all working together and collects it into a message that is sent to one structure called the pituitary gland. So let's look at this picture right here. So this is an illustration of the pituitary gland, and you see this little red dot up here. The pituitary gland kind of dangles underneath the brain. So when the pituitary gland gets its message from the brain, it then sends a message to the ovaries, as you can see here, that will then regulate the menstrual cycle for that particular month. So why is that important? Well, there are different factors then that are going to influence the menstrual cycle. It doesn't just happen automatically. It's regulated, it's controlled by the brain. Let's say, for example, you've had a particularly stressful experience, maybe a really hard exam, a lot of emotional stress. You may notice then that the brain has taken all this in and it has regulated your menstrual cycle a little bit differently that month. So your period might start a couple days earlier or later than you expect it to. So different factors, your health state, your mental state, your emotional state, all those things are taken into consideration as the brain regulates your periods. I think this is important information so that you aren't going to be confused when these times come that your period's off a little bit by a day or two. But it is also a message to us how important it is that we try to stay healthy and to help our body to stay healthy so that we can then help our brain to regulate normal, healthy menstrual cycles for us. This is Dr. Metten with Anatomy for Kids.